And so if we were to have an R group behind the plane, an R group in front of the plane towards the viewer, and some type of orbital that bonds to, say, for example, an R substituent, an alkyl chain, that is the orbital that will be able to donate into the carbocation. If we were to take a view, if we were to look down this carbon that's highlighted to this carbon that's the carbocation center, we would see the carbon that's highlighted first with its two R substituents. And behind that, we would see the carbon with the large p orbital that's unshaded on the bottom and shaded on the top. And you can see by looking down this bond axis from the carbon that's orange to the carbon that's the carbocation, these orbitals overlap. They have this shadowing, they shadow one another when looking down the bond axes. And this is what allows, and this is what determines, and this is what allows for you to determine if you can dictate for electron density to be donated from one orbital to the next. For example,